Hey guys, so continuing on our common problems with paver patios, and this is the biggest one I hear all the time, is just weeds in between the paver joints. So what's really causing a lot of that? So there's multiple factors. One is there's dirt in between the paver joints, or even it's a minimal amount. There's also just the improper installation of polymeric sand where it's still loose, it's not set up hard enough. Will allow the seeds to germinate and sprout right through. But also, even like if you have your patio, leaving it dirty, not blowing it off or keeping it clean in between, say, mowings or anything else like that, or leaving dirt on top of it will cause a lot of that problems too. But even then too, it's even what's underneath underneath the patio too. You know, if you don't have that good gravel base underneath with